Welcome back to Science of Mind, your guide to unlocking your full potential. Today we're embarking on a journey to presence, mindfulness for beginners, how to start living in the moment. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights on personal growth. In today's fast-paced and digitally driven world, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of our thoughts, constantly worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. We're often so preoccupied that we miss out on the richness and beauty of the present moment. Mindfulness offers a powerful antidote to this state of constant distraction. It's the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about observing our thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise, without getting carried away by them. Mindfulness isn't about emptying your mind or achieving a state of bliss. It's about cultivating awareness and acceptance of whatever is happening in the present moment, whether it's pleasant or unpleasant. It's about learning to be present with your experience rather than trying to escape from it. The benefits of mindfulness are well documented. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, improve focus and concentration, enhance emotional regulation, increase self-awareness, and promote overall well-being. So, how can beginners start living in the moment through mindfulness? It's a practice that can be incorporated into everyday life with simple exercises and techniques that can be adapted to fit your individual needs and preferences. Let's explore some practical steps and strategies. Step 1. Understanding the core principles of mindfulness. Embracing acceptance and non-judgment. Before diving into specific exercises, it's important to understand the core principles of mindfulness. Acceptance. Accepting the present moment as it is, without trying to change or control it. This doesn't mean you have to like everything that's happening, but it means recognizing that resistance only creates more suffering. Non-judgment. Observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. This means avoiding labeling them as good or bad, right or wrong. Simply notice them and let them pass. Patience. Cultivating patience with yourself in the process. Mindfulness is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Beginner's mind. Approaching each moment with a sense of curiosity and openness. As if you're experiencing it for the first time. Trust. Trusting in your own inner wisdom and intuition. Practical tips. Read about mindfulness. Learn more about the principles and benefits of mindfulness through books, articles, or online resources. Reflect on your attitudes. Consider how these principles align with your own values and beliefs. Challenge your judgments. When you find yourself judging something, try to reframe your perspective and see it with fresh eyes. Step 2. Starting with basic breathing meditation. Anchoring yourself in the present breathing meditation is a simple and effective way to begin practicing mindfulness. It involves focusing your attention on your breath, noticing the sensations of each inhale and exhale. Instructions of each inhale and exhale. Instructions. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes or keep them softly focused on a point in front of you. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensations of the air moving in and out of your body. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. If your mind wanders, and it will, gently redirect your attention back to your breath. Continue for 510 minutes. Practical tips. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Don't try to force anything. Just observe your breath without trying to control it or change it. Be patient. It's normal for your mind to wander. Be patient. It's normal for your mind to wander. Just gently redirect your attention back to your breath each time it happens. Use a guided meditation. Use a guided meditation. If you find it difficult to meditate on your own, try using a guided meditation app. Step 3. Practicing body scan meditation. Cultivating body awareness body scan meditation involves bringing your attention to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations you may be experiencing. This practice can help you to cultivate body awareness and reduce tension. Instructions. Lie down on your back in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations you may be experiencing, such as tingling, warmth, or pressure. Slowly move your attention up your body, focusing on each body part in turn. Continue until you've scanned your entire body from your toes to the top of your head. If you notice any pain or discomfort, simply acknowledge it and move on. Practical tips. Start with short sessions. Begin with 10-15 minute sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Use a guided meditation. If you find it difficult to scan your body on your own, try using a guided meditation app or recording. Be patient. It's normal for your mind to wander. Just gently redirect your attention back to your body each time it happens. Step 4. Mindful walking. Engaging your senses in motion. Mindful walking involves paying attention to the sensations of walking, such as the feeling of your feet on the ground, the movement of your body, and the sights and sounds around you. Instructions. Find a quiet place to walk. Begin walking at a slow and comfortable pace. Bring your attention to the sensations of walking. Notice the feeling of your feet on the ground, the movement of your legs, and the sway of your arms. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, and smells around you. If your mind wanders, gently redirect your attention back to the sensations of walking. Continue for 10-15 minutes. Practical tips. Focus on one sense at a time. You can focus on your sense of sight, hearing, smell, or touch. Walk in silence. Avoid talking or listening to music while you're practicing mindful walking. Be present. Try to fully immerse yourself in the experience of walking. Step 5. Bringing mindfulness into everyday activities. Transforming routine tasks. You don't have to sit in meditation to practice mindfulness. You can bring mindfulness into any activity, such as eating, washing dishes, or brushing your teeth. The key is to pay attention to the present moment and engage your senses fully. Practical tips. Mindful eating. Savor each bite of your food, paying attention to the taste, texture, and smell. Mindful washing. Focus on the sensations of the water on your skin, the smell of the soap, and the act of cleaning. Mindful brushing. Pay attention to the feel of the toothbrush on your teeth, taste of the feel of the toothbrush on your teeth, the taste of the toothpaste, and the sound of the brushing. Step 6. Dealing with difficult emotions. Responding with awareness and compassion. Mindfulness can be a powerful tool for dealing with difficult emotions. When you practice mindfulness, you learn to observe your emotions without judgment and respond to them with awareness and compassion. Practical tips. Acknowledge your emotions. Recognize and label your emotions without trying to suppress or deny them. Observe your emotions. Pay attention to the physical sensations associated with your emotions. Accept your emotions. Accept that your emotions are valid and that it's okay to feel the way you do. Respond with compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about mindfulness. Misconception. Mindfulness is about emptying your mind. Reality. Mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment without judgment, not about emptying your mind. Misconception. Mindfulness is a quick fix for stress. Reality. Mindfulness is a practice that takes time and effort to develop. Misconception. Mindfulness is only for certain people. Reality. Mindfulness is for everyone. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for living a more present, peaceful, and fulfilling life. By understanding the core principles of mindfulness, practicing basic meditation techniques, bringing mindfulness into everyday activities, and dealing with difficult emotions with awareness and compassion, you can start living in the moment and unlock your full potential. So, start today. Choose 1 or 2 techniques from this video and commit to practicing them regularly. The benefits will be well worth the effort. That's it for today's episode of Science of Mind. We hope you found this helpful. How will you practice mindfulness today? Share your ideas in the comments below. And as always, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on personal growth. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing mindfulness, and we'll see you in the next video.